Hi there, this is AJ Royal Kitchen. If today is your first time on here, a very welcome to you. In today's video, we are making a simple and special stir-fry spaghetti. So without further ado, let's just get on with it. For today's recipe, I'll be using some mixed vegetables, blended ingredients, chicken pieces, vegetable oil, some spices, spaghetti, tomato paste, salt, and some onions. So first up, I need to marinate my chicken before frying, and with that, I'm just going to season it with black pepper, paprika, garlic paste, and salt. I will then mix everything well and leave it to marinate for 30 minutes since I've got less time, but you can do longer if that is possible for you. In a pan, I'm going to add a vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. I'll then add my chicken pieces and fry it until it turns brown. With the same oil, I will be adding my onions and then stir fry for a few seconds. Then go in with my tomato paste. I'll keep stirring this for 2 minutes. And then add my blended ingredients to it. I'll give it a stir and then quickly add my garlic paste, chicken stock cube, curry powder, thyme, and stir everything and fry for about 10 minutes. I'll then add my salt, give it a stir and leave it to simmer for a few more minutes whilst I get my spaghetti ready. On the other side, I'm going to cook my spaghetti, and with that, I'll transfer boiling water into my pan, add some vegetable oil and salt. I'll then go in with my spaghetti. I'll be cooking this for 6 to 7 minutes, but do check out the instructions on the package for a better results. Once it is well cooked, I'll just drain the water out of it and then set it aside. Now go in with my carrots, red and green bell pepper. Give it a stir and leave it to simmer for a few minutes depending on how you want it. Next, I will transfer the spaghetti into the tomato sauce and mix it until it is all coated with the sauce. Once it is well combined, I will be going in with my chicken and extra bell pepper and spring onion. then mix everything in. I'll then simmer it for a few minutes and it will be ready to serve. Try this simple pasta recipe at home and I'm sure you're going to love it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Do give this video a thumbs up and also share with family and friends. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, it's goodbye.